The meaning in English, nectar of grand celebration. Now we have our guest of the day, the principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Uppal, being honored by the NCC cadets. He will give a big hand to our guest and our principal, Sri M. Srinivasana, P. Srinivasana Garu.
कार्यक्रम अब आगे बढ़ रहा है।
Now we request our principal sir to come to the flag post to hoist the flag. We request our HM madam to take her seat on the dais. HM madam, please, you are requested to the stage, please. Independence right from 1947. Now we have the students of the secondary classes who are the NCC cadets and the scouts and guides. They have a great formation of the number 75, that is the diamond jubilee number 75. Mark the Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, a sweet nectar of grand celebrations of the Independence Day celebrations. Now, these cadets and the scouts and guides will form and display the 75 number. Yes, please. Oh, 75 number. Sir will give order. NCC cadets, open the flag.
और सही बात है कि तिरंगे के सम्मान पर न आने देना आंच, क्योंकि इसके लिए न जाने इसके लिए न जाने कितनों ने दी है जान, कितनों ने दी है जान। और यही हमारे बच्चे आज तिरंगा फहराते हुए यही प्रदर्शित कर रहे हैं कि हम भी आने वाले समय में इस तिरंगे पर अपनी जान कुर्बान करेंगे।
We are very proud to form this 75 number with all the national flags. Not only here, on every house, all the parents and the students have hoisted the flags. Did you all hoist the flag on your houses or not? Say yes. Raise a hand. Did you all hoist the flag on your houses or not? Yes, that's great. So we are proud of our country. Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you. Now, we are always proud of our freedom fighters and about our independence. How we have got the independence to this great country. Now, we have one student, we have Master Shagunkar of 7th D to speak about the great independence. She is Kumari Shagunkar of 7th D.
Good morning, respected principal sir, honorable chief guests, respected teachers and my dear friends. We all have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of 75th Independence Day on 15th August. We know August 15th is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15th August 1947, all the freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from British Empire by putting their lives at stake. So, we celebrate this day historically in their memory and honor. Because of this day, we got freedom from British rule, which is incomparable. Today, 75 years after independence, our country is moving towards progress in every field. Our country is writing a new chapter every day in different fields like military strength, education, sports, and many others. Our military strength is equipped with modern weapons which have the power to annihilate any enemy in the blink of eye. As our country is an agricultural country, we can produce more quantity of crops by new techniques in agriculture. Today, India has reached to food and mass by innovating scientific technology every day. We are taking the country towards progress. While discussing the new dimensions of the progress of the country, we should never forget the scene of slavery, where a great freedom fighter sacrificed their life for freedom. This day is a philauthera of emotions. It reminds us the pain of being enslaved. It gives us an example that some paths can be won with non-violence. And all above that, it makes us value and cherish the freedom which we have today. It is our responsibility as a proud citizen of the country to sincerely perform our duty and to progress together for the growth and development of our country. I, Shagunkar of class 7-3, end my speech by paying my respect and tribute to all the great revolutionaries and to the people who are moving India to progress. Thank you one and all. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Jai Hind.
Yes, a very great speech. Now we call, when I say one day, you will all repeat, you will all say Mataram. One day, one day, one day. Now we have one more student of class 12th B, Vinutna, to express her thoughts and feelings about this great Independence Day.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world slept, India awoke to life and freedom. Good morning, everybody. Today I have come to put my thoughts in front of you on the 75th Independence Day of India. We all are privileged of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pain and the suffering of being enslaved under colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a back-breaking task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memory. Hence, every Independence Day we not only celebrate our freedom but also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves. By unfurling the national flag and singing the national anthem, students, teachers, parents, and other individuals come together to celebrate Independence Day. The Indian Prime Minister in the national capital New Delhi at Red Fort also hosts our national flag. After that, the salute is given by firing 21 guns and a helicopter shows tricolor flowers on the flag. This day is an overflow of emotion. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that wars can be won with non-violence. And of all things, it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vinutna. Now, patriotic solo song by Kumari Ananya, T. Ananya.
Good morning all, I'm T. Ananya of class 6A. Today I'm going to sing a patriotic song.
ना देख मुझे यो मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यही तकता है। तेरी जमीन तेरी खून सही तो सजदी जवर्दी है रांझी, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो दर्दी है रांझी। आए तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रह न रहे। ए मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, पीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। आए तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ ओ तेरी इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो दर्दी है रांझे। थैंक यू।
Thank you for the solo song. Now I'll give one more slogan, that is Ghar Ghar Tiranga. You will repeat, you will say Har Ghar Tiranga. Ghar Ghar Tiranga. घर घर तिरंगा, घर घर तिरंगा। थैंक यू। सोनाली मैडम।
बहुत सुंदर गीत देशभक्ति से परिपूर्ण अनन्या ने यहाँ प्रस्तुत किया है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अनन्या। अब देशभक्ति के प्रति अपना जो जज्बा है उसको बुलंद करने के लिए कक्षा 10वीं की निहारिका स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने मंच पर मैं उसे बुलाती हूँ और मंच पर निहारिका आए और स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर अपने सुविचार यहाँ प्रस्तुत करे।
तिरंगा ही आन है, तिरंगा ही शान है और तिरंगा ही हम हिंदुस्तानियों की पहचान है। आदरणीय अतिथिगण, प्रधानाचार्य जी, यहाँ उपस्थित अध्यापकगण, अभिभावक और प्यारे दोस्तों, नमस्कार। आज मैं निहारिका दरसवाल कक्षा 10वीं की छात्र 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पूर्ण होने पर एक भाषण लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी। आज का दिन हर एक व्यक्ति के लिए सबसे खास है। भारत को आजाद हुए 75 साल पूरे हो गए हैं। आज इस पावन अवसर पर हम उन सभी स्वतंत्रता सेनानी को याद करेंगे जिन्होंने देश को आजाद करने के लिए अपने प्राणों की कुर्बानी दी, जैसे कि महात्मा गांधी, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस और कई अनसंग हीरो। भारत का स्वतंत्रता दिवस न केवल ब्रिटिश शासन से भारत की आजादी को दर्शाता है, बल्कि ये दिखाता है कि कैसे हम सब एक थे, एक है और हमेशा एक रहेंगे। हमारा प्यारा तिरंगा हमें जीवन जीने का सही रंग सिखाता है, जैसे कि इसका केसरिया रंग देश की ताकत और साहस का प्रतीक है, सफेद रंग शांति व सद्भावना का प्रतीक है तथा हरा रंग देश के विकास और समृद्धि का प्रतीक है। झंडे के बीच में बना अशोक चक्र हमें निरंतर आगे बढ़ने के लिए उत्साह देता है। 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस यादगार बनाने के लिए सरकार ने आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव की पहल की, जिसके अंतर्गत कई कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए गए, जैसे हर घर तिरंगा आंदोलन, जिसमें प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सबको अपने घर में तिरंगा फहराकर स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने का अनुरोध किया। इसका बस एक ही उद्देश्य था कि सभी देशवासियों में सोई हुई देशभक्ति फिर से जागरूक हो सके। हर भारतवासी के लिए उसका देश सबसे पहले आना चाहिए, क्योंकि सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। इसी के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
बहुत सुंदर निहारिका, और राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के महत्व को इतने सुंदर ढंग से आपने यहाँ प्रस्तुत किया है। बच्चे, मैं एक नारा बोलने वाली हूँ। मैं क्या बोलूंगी और आप पीछे क्या दोहराएंगे, मेरे साथ बोलेंगे। मैं बोलूंगी मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ और आप बोलेंगे हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। मैं फिर से दोहरा रही हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ और आप बच्चे सब बोलेंगे हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। चलिए, मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ। आवाज और बुलंद होनी चाहिए। हिंदुस्तान, मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बच्चे, ऐसे ही आवाज बुलंद होनी चाहिए।
Yes, dear parents and students, we all know that Kendriya Vidyalaya is known for all-round development, not only just in education but also in all their activities. We have got the NCC unit under the officership of Sri Anil Kumar, and also Scouts and Guides, Cubs and Bulbuls. Now, the NCC cadets are going to give a march past and word of honor to the principal. Sir, I request our principal sir and HM madam to come and take the honor from the God of honor from the NCC cadets, please. Madam. Madhavi Madam, you are requested to come to the dais for the God of honor, please. Hello. Now, guides girls, please get up, move. आजा बेटा, NCC जाओ बेटा, slowly जाओ उधर, flags लेके जाओ.
हमारे एनसीसी के बच्चे कंधे से कंधे मिलाते हुए हमारे मंच के सामने से हमारे मुख्य अतिथि प्राचार्य महोदय को सलामी देते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. कंधे से कंधे मिलाते हुए आगे चल रहे हैं. यही जनता होनी चाहिए. यही आगे चलकर हमारे अच्छे देशभक्त बनेंगे. इन्हीं के पीछे अब हमारे विधायक के स्काउट गाइड इनके बच्चे हमारे मुख्य अतिथि हमारे प्राचार्य महोदय श्री श्रीनिवास राजू सर को सलामी देते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. कदम ताल करते हुए एक साथ आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. बहुत सुंदर प्रदर्शन. पहले स्काउट के बच्चे गए, अब गाइड की लड़कियां आगे बढ़ती हुई हाथों में तिरंगा लिए हुए देशभक्ति की भावना को बुलंद करते हुए आगे बढ़ रही हैं. यह स्काउट गाइड और एनसीसी हमारे विद्यालय में काफी सालों से चला आ रहा है और इसमें बहुत सारा से बच्चे सम्मिलित हैं. Salute. It's a wonderful display. This girl is volleyball with the bright colors for बहुत सुंदर प्रदर्शन और इस सारे नन्हे मुन्ने
students.
देशभक्तों के आगे शर्मिला मतलब बहुत कदम ताल करते हुए आगे बढ़ रही है. बड़ा सुंदर प्रदर्शन और यही हमारे देशभक्त हैं जो हमारे देश के लिए अपना बलिदान दिए और यही देशभक्तों के रूप में आज हमारे बच्चे यहाँ बहुत सुंदर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं.
This is an occasion to remember all our national leaders, so these penny notes are displayed. These great national leaders to remember them for their sacrifices. Thank you very much. Now we request our principal sir to take the seat. We request our family members and also everyone to take the seats on the desk, please. From the back.
ನೆತ್ತರು ಮರಿಗಿದೆ ಎತ್ತರ ಚೆಂಡ ಸತ್ತುವ ಉರಿಗಿದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಕೊಂಡ ನೆತ್ತರು ಮರಿಗಿದೆ ಎತ್ತರ ಚೆಂಡ ಸತ್ತುವ ಉರಿಗಿದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಕೊಂಡ ಚೆಂಡ ಕೊಂಡ ಕತ್ತಿ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಚೆಂಡ ಕೊಂಡ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಿಂಗೋ ಹೊಳೆ ಸಿರಿಗಲ ಕೋಳೆ
Independence Day. Today we are going to perform yoga asanas as following: Padmasana, Tadasana, Vrikshasana, Gomukasana, Tulasana and Matyasana. As following:
प्रदर्शन किया गया। बच्चों, आपकी ताली की गूंज बहुत कम थी। ताली की गूंज आसमान को छूनी चाहिए। जोरदार ताली योगा बच्चों के लिए और जोर से। मनोहारी और सुंदर प्रदर्शन इसलिए कह रही के साथ बिल्कुल एक साथ सब बच्चों ने एक साथ प्रदर्शन किया है, जो बहुत ही अद्भुत है। और इसमें कहीं पर भी किसी ने भी गलती नहीं की। योगा हमारे शरीर को संतुलन बनाने में बहुत योगदान देता है और साथ ही साथ हमारे शारीरिक एवं मानसिक विकास में बहुत बल देता है। अब हम कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और अब मैं रेटिना से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वो मंच पर आकर अपनी एक हिंदी कविता जो देशभक्ति से ओतप्रोत है यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत करेगी।
A patriotic poem by Retina Mishra.
देखते ही देखते गवाया गया पंगु और देखते ही देखते गवाया गया पंगु और वक्त हाथ आया तो मिलाया भी गया नहीं। वक्त हाथ आया तो मिलाया भी गया। लाख शत्रुओं के शस्त्र डालने के बाद 1.25 लाख शत्रुओं के शस्त्र डालने के बाद बंकिम धरा को अपनाया भी गया। ताहिरे नरेश की वसुंधरा कराची में, ताहिरे नरेश की वसुंधरा कराची में झंडा ये तिरंगा लहराया भी गया नहीं। और रोज राष्ट्रगान में पढ़ाया गया सिंधु किंतु, रोज राष्ट्रगान में पढ़ाया गया सिंधु किंतु हिंद मानचित्र में दिखाया भी गया नहीं। हिंद मानचित्र में दिखाया भी गया नहीं। परम आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, सम्माननीय शिक्षकगण, माननीय अभिभावकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय मित्रों, आज मैं रेटिना मिश्रा कक्षा 12वीं की छात्रा आप सभी को आजादी की हीरक जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आज हमें आजाद हुए 75 वर्ष पूर्ण हो गए हैं और आज ये कहना जितना सरल है, आजादी पाना उतना ही कठिन था। हमारे लहू का कतरा कतरा उन वीरों का ऋणी है जो अपनी जान पर खेल गए स्वतंत्रता के लिए, देश के लिए। प्रणाम है ऐसे शौर्यवान जवानों को। उन्हीं के लिए मैं कुछ पंक्तियां पढ़ती हूँ। प्राण दे दिए जिन्होंने भारती की आरती में, प्राण दे दिए जिन्होंने भारती की आरती में, क्रांति अग्नि धधकाने वालों को न भूलना। प्राण दे दिए जिन्होंने भारती की आरती में, क्रांति अग्नि धधकाने वालों को न भूलना। लाडलों ने वक्त पर रक्त की आहुतियां दी, लाडलों ने वक्त पर रक्त की आहुतियां दी, राष्ट्र धर्म यूं निभाने वालों को न भूलना। फांसियों के फंदों पर गान वंदे मातरम, फांसियों के फंदों पर गान वंदे मातरम, बार बार दोहराने वालों को न भूलना, बार बार दोहराने वालों को न भूलना। उत्सवों महोत्सवों को शान से मनाए किंतु, उत्सवों महोत्सवों को शान से मनाए किंतु छातियों पे गोली खाने वालों को न भूलना। जरा इस दृश्य की कल्पना करिए। आंगन में बैठी माँ अपनी चूड़ियां उतार रही है क्योंकि तिरंगे में लिपटा उसका सुहाग आया है। तभी उसका बेटा वहां आता है और माँ अपने सारे दुख भूलकर अपने बेटे की दुखी आंखों को अपने पिता की भांति शौर्यपूर्ण और देशभक्ति से भरने के लिए कहती है कि मेरे पुत्र मुझको तू वचन दे मात्र एक, मेरे पुत्र मुझको तू वचन दे मात्र एक, रणभूमि दूध की क्या लाज को बचाएगा। तेरे पूर्वजों ने जो लिखा है पुण्य इतिहास, तेरे पूर्वजों ने जो लिखा है पुण्य इतिहास, इतिहास लाड़ ले क्या तू ही दोहराएगा। तो बेटा अपनी माँ को क्या उत्तर देता है, गौर से सुनिएगा कि बोटी बोटी कट जाऊं, इंच इंच बट जाऊं, इंच इंच बट जाऊं, बोटी बोटी कट जाऊं, लाड़ लाना पुरखों की नाक को कटाएगा, लाड़ लाना पुरखों की नाक को कटाएगा। या तो ये तिरंगे में लपेट घर आऊंगा माँ, या तो ये तिरंगे में लपेट घर आऊंगा माँ, या तो ये तिरंगा सीमा पार लहराएगा, या तो ये तिरंगा सीमा पार लहराएगा। शत शत नमन है ऐसी माताओं को, ऐसी मातृ शक्तियों को
जो अपने सपूतों को देश के लिए खुशी खुशी समर्पित कर देती है। और धन्य है वे वीर जवान जो देश की आन बान शान के लिए मर मिटने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। अंतिम कुछ पंक्तियां जवानों के लिए। तुम्हारे नाम के मंदिर नहीं बने हैं कहीं, तुम्हारे नाम के मंदिर नहीं बने हैं कहीं, न मस्जिदों ने ही सजदा कभी किया है तुम्हें। अगर खुदाओं से बढ़कर जो रुतबा होता है, ज़मीने हिंद ने वो मर्तबा दिया है तुम्हें। वो गोलियां जो हमारी तरफ बढ़ी थी कभी, वो गोलियां जो हमारी तरफ बढ़ी थी कभी, तुम अपने सीने में भरकर जमीन पे लेट गए। जहां भी प्यार से माँ भारती ने थपकी दी, तुम एक बच्चे की मानिंद वहीं पे लेट गए। उठा के हाथ दुआएं पड़ी है मिट्टी ने, तुम्हारे जैसे जियाले सपूत पाने को, जो लब पे लेके शिकायत यही शहीद हुए कि एक ही जान क्यों मिलती है लुटाने को। तुम ही ना होते तो दुनिया बबूल हो जाती, जमीने खून से लालागार करता कौन। हजारों लोग हैं यूं तो जमाने में, लेकिन हमारे वास्ते यूं मुस्कुरा कर मरता कौन। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
बहुत बढ़िया कविता रेटिना मिश्रा के द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया। और सही बात है कि कितने बलिदानी हमारे देश के लिए शहीद हुए, देश को आजाद कराने में संघर्ष किए, और वो झंडा फहराना चाहते थे, तिरंगा फहराना चाहते थे, पर नहीं फहरा पाए। ये हमारी खुशकिस्मत है, हम खुश नसीब हैं कि हम आजाद देश में जी रहे हैं और आज घर घर में तिरंगा के तहत हम झंडा फहरा रहे हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो चलिए अब अगले कार्यक्रम के आगे एक साथ बच्चों में मैं वो जज्बा देखना चाहती हूँ, और आप मेरे साथ बोलेंगे वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम।
मैडम थैंक यू वेरी मच। रेटिना, आप जवानों के बारे में बहुत कुछ लिखे, लेकिन एक को भूल गए, आप किसानों को भूल गए। सो नेक्स्ट टाइम by the Republic Day you write about this Kisan also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, two great people are there. One is Jawan and one is Kisan. I will say Jai Jawan, you will repeat Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan,
जय किसान,
Jai Jawan,
जय किसान,
Jai Jawan.
जय किसान।
Thank you. Now we have got decorative display under the guidance of Sudhir. It is a Korean form of martial arts characterized by punching and kicking techniques, with emphasis on red height kicks, spinning jump kicks, and fast kicking techniques. The goal of martial art is to give a self-esteem and self-defense. So all of you, please watch this great display, and you also become self-dependent in your self-defense. Sir, you can start now. Select. Henry. Go for Harson. Fine. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double punch, dynamic shout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double punch. Okay, face someone there. Taekwondo. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get ready. Serious. Finish. Henry. Left leg down. Go direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Jai. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Say it. Position. Block punch kick. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, allow me to stay there too. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Press me fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Down the speed. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Inside to outside. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set it. Hit it. Engage. Turn face. Come on. 6. Get up. Get up. Set it. Get it. Engage. Okay. 3 lines. Last line. 3 lines. Move back. Out you move back. Last line. Don't move. Come on, girls. Just all of you sit down. Sit. Sit. Come back. Matty. Matty. Move. Get ready? Can you go to the Roshan side? Can you? Don't move, yeah. Same position, only one. Okay? And this. Big position. Come on. Start. Very good. Sit. One more time. Get up. Chariot. Connect. Hungry. Come on. Come back. Go and sit.
Will you learn? Yes, you can join in this martial art program.
Krish. Start. Chariot. Connect. Hungry. Okay. Attention. Kick. 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 Abhi. Kick. Flying kick. Flying kick. Now, flying kick. 4 members. Come.
Yes, the secondary students who are standing in the back, please be seated. Sit down, please. Sit down and watch. Sit. Maintain the order. Be seated, all of you.
ఒక్కటే లేరా పాప క్లాస్ అయితే అంటే మంది మా క్లాస్ చాలా మంది
Chariot. Correct. Hungry. Equation. Come on. Caesar. Chariot. Correct. Hungry. Come on. Jagdish. Time. Ready? 1, 2, knee bend. 3, start. One more break. Okay. Serious.
Perform the classical dance with the title of the Unity in Diversity with the song Bharat Anoka Rag Hai. It is a type of contemporary social improvised dance that combines different styles of dances like Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Manipuri with a song of Bharat Anoka Rag Hai to bring out the theme of unity in diversity. Madam, are you ready? They can begin now. Yes, please.
वितरण के लिए हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री PS राजू सर पधार चुके हैं मंच पर। माधवी मैडम और हमारी मुख्य अध्यापिका भी पधार चुकी है। अब हमारा अगला कार्यक्रम पुरस्कार वितरण का है। पुरस्कार वितरण के पहले हम आज इस दिन हमारे विद्यालय के कुछ बच्चे, इसी दिन उनका जन्म हुआ और हम जन्मदिन की बधाइयां भी देंगे। और उसके लिए मैं जन्मदिन की बधाइयां देने के लिए मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूं हमारे विद्यालय की जन्मदिन की बधाइयां।
Good morning everyone. Today some of our friends are celebrating their birthday. I kindly request principal sir to give them birthday cards and kindly bless them. Priya, 9.
అంటే ఏమని అంటారేమో.
Swara, 7th B. Rupa, 7th A.
Celebrating birthday is not just the right of the children, it is the right of the adults also. We have our MSLJ Sudha madam who is celebrating her birthday today, and also
Pancha side
Sri
go, side go,
Nageshwara
Pancha
Garu. Where is Nageshwara sir?
नागेश्वर जी सर मंच पर आइए और सुधा मैडम पहुंच ही गई है.
Yes. Greeting card.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयां.
Yes, join please. Yes, this is a happy birthday. But what a great day. On Independence Day, these people are born. So they are free people. They are always free. They have the freedom from everything. Happy birthday, National Garu and Sudha madam. Now we have the prize distribution ceremony. We have Golden Arrow Badge Award. Is a prestigious award given every year by Bharat Scouts and Guides to the eligible cubs and bulbuls of the primary section. For the year 2021, 5 bulbuls and 19 cubs received rupees 1,000 cash and Golden Arrow badge and certificate. Now I call upon those cubs and bulbuls to receive the prizes, please. I request our principal sir. Yes. Next is CA Akshit Kumar. CA Akshit Kumar. Next. So you can come and stand here. You can take a joint photograph. Next, Saket Ram. You can stand here. Saket Ram. Next. This is Saket Ram. Yes. Next, Sri Ram Jyotish. Sri Ram. You can join the line here for the photograph. Then Master N Nirav. Master N Nirav. Master Nirav, this is. Next, Master Yugal Arjun. Yugal Arjun. Left hand. Yes. Next, Shivaji Reddy. Yes, next the Atharva. Atharva. You can join left hand. Shake the hand with left. Harideep Kanish. Next, Sri Ram, Sai Ram Kaushik. Are you brothers? Yes. Classmates, very great. Next, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan. Yes, Sai Ram. Sai Ram Kaushik. Sai Ram. He is Sai Ram. Yes. Next, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan. Next, Parthiv. Get ready. Yeah. Parthiv. Parthiv. Yes. Next, Master Chetan. Master Parth P. Yes, this is Chetan. After Chetan, Parth, please come. Next, Sai Shlok. Sai Shlok, come. Now face the audience. From this side for the photograph. Yes. Next, Ritik. Now, I request Madhavi Madam to give away the prizes to the bulbuls. G. Sai Dakshita.
हनी 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 हनी
Sritika Reddy. Next, Sritika come. Next, Mokshasri, join her. Mokshasri, wait. Mokshasri, wait. Mokshasri, come here. Yes. Salute, madam. Yes. Next, Chesri. And Chesri, you can come. And the last one, G. Agnesli.
Thank you, madam.
You can wait here for the joint photograph. Very good. All the front leaders and club masters are requested to join for a group photograph immediately. Who have got the the Cubs and Bulls can come here for the joint photograph.
Chesri, forward. Chesri.
नितिक सामने वाले क्रॉस में साकेत नितिक सामने के बच्चे क्रॉस ले साकेत साकेत रोड के साइड को जो निकाल लो
अमिता मैडम आप किससे रहेंगे?
साकेत एक खबर नहीं होना वो खबर दे फिर वो खबर दे ये सोचे वाले नहीं
वितरण के लिए हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री PS राजू सर पधार चुके हैं मंच पर। माधवी मैडम और हमारी मुख्य अध्यापिका भी पधार चुकी है। अब हमारा अगला कार्यक्रम पुरस्कार वितरण का है। पुरस्कार वितरण के पहले हम आज इस दिन हमारे विद्यालय के कुछ बच्चे इसी दिन उनका जन्म हुआ और हम जन्मदिन की बधाइयां भी देंगे और उसके लिए मैं जन्मदिन की बधाइयां देने के लिए मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूं हमारे विद्यालय की जन्मदिन की बधाइयां।
Good morning, everyone. Today, some of our friends are celebrating their birthday. I kindly request principal sir to give them birthday cards and kindly bless them. Priya, mine.
అంటే ఏమని అంటారేమో
Swara,
Hello.
7th B. Rupa, 7th A.
Celebrating birthday is not just the right of the children, it is the right of the adults also. We have our MSLJ Sudha madam who is celebrating her birthday today and also Sri Nageshwara Garu. Where is Nageshwara sir?
नागेश्वरी सर मंच पर आइए और सुधा मैडम पहुंच ही गई है।
Yes. Greeting card.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयां।
Yes, join please. Yes, this is a happy birthday. But what a great day. On Independence Day, these people are born. So they are free people. They are always free. They have the freedom from everything. Happy birthday, National Garu and Sudha madam. Now we have the prize distribution ceremony. We have Golden Arrow Badge Award is a prestigious award given every year by Bharat Scouts and Guides to the eligible cubs and bulbuls of the primary section. For the year 2021, 5 bulbuls and 19 cubs received rupees 1,000 cash and Golden Arrow badge and certificate. Now I call upon those two cubs and bulbuls to receive the prizes, please. I request the principal, sir. Yes. Next is CA Akshit Kumar. CA Akshit Kumar. Next. So you can come and stand here. You can take a joint photograph. Next, Saket Ram. You can stand here. Saket Ram. Next. This is Saket Ram. Yes. Next, Sriram Jyotish. Sriram. You can join the line here for the photograph. Then Master N Nirav. Master N Nirav. Master Nirav, this is. Next, Master Yugal Arjun. Yugal Arjun. Left hand. Yes. Next, Shivati Reddy. Yes, next the Atharva. Atharva. You can join left hand. Shake the hand with left. Harideep Kanish. Next, Sriram, Sai Ram Kaushik. Are you brothers? Yes. Classmates, very great. Next, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan. Yes, Sai Ram. Sai Ram Kaushik. Sai Ram. This Sai Ram. Yes. Next, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan. Next, Parthiv. Get ready. Yeah. Parthiv. Parthiv. Yes. Next, Master Chetan. Master Parth P. Yes, this is Chetan. Master Chetan, Parth, please come. Next, Sai Shlok. Sai Shlok, come. Now face the audience. From this side for the photograph. Yes. Next, Ritik. Now, I request Madhavi Madam to give away the prizes to the bulbuls. G. Sai Dakshita. Sritika Reddy. Next, Sritika come. Next, Mokshasri. Join here. Mokshasri, wait. Wait. Mokshasri, wait. Mokshasri, come here. Yes. Salute, madam. Yes. Next, Chesri. And Chesri. You can come. And the last one, G. Agnesli.
Thank you, madam.
You can wait here for the joint photograph. Very good. All the block leaders and club masters are requested to join for a group photograph immediately. Who have got the Subs and Bulbuls can come here for the joint photograph.
Jayashree, forward. Jayashree.
साकेत साकेत साकेत
अमिता मैडम आप से रहेंगे। अमिता मैडम सम्माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय श्री पी श्रीनिवास राजू गारू, आदरणीय विशिष्ट अतिथि मैडम श्रीमती पी श्रीनिवास राजू गारू, आदरणीय अभिभावकगण, आदरणीय अन्य अतिथिगण, प्रिय साथियों एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। सर्वप्रथम 75वां आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव के अवसर पर आप सबको मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे सम्माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय को हार्दिक धन्यवाद अर्पित करना चाहता हूं, जिनके मार्गदर्शन में इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। उनके सहयोग से, उनके मार्गदर्शन की वजह से यह कार्यक्रम अत्यंत सफल हुआ और मैं हमारी विशिष्ट अतिथि महोदया श्रीमती पी श्रीनिवास राजू जी को भी हार्दिक धन्यवाद देता हूं, जिन्होंने अपनी उपस्थिति से इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा को और भी बढ़ाया। मैं यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अभिभावकों, अन्य अतिथियों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने अपनी उपस्थिति से इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाया और इस विद्यालय के सभी कर्मचारियों एवं विद्यार्थियों को भी हार्दिक धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिनके निरंतर परिश्रम एवं सहयोग से आज का यह कार्यक्रम सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुआ। अंत में सभी को धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं। धन्यवाद। सभी को मेरा धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। Now all will be sitting in your places. Principal sir and HM madam, they will leave to the office. Before they leave, you just be seated. After the leave, and most respected teachers, dearest parents, students, the audience from the neighboring KVs, schools and other offices, I am extremely happy. Today morning I am extremely happy. I feel pride and proud to host our national independent flag. Dear friends, you know, we have completed, they are celebrating the 75 years of independence. Today is the 76th. And in these 75 years, where are we on the globe? And prior to 75 years back, where were we? This is a small thing, but a big story. I wish to talk to all, interact with all of you. Please pay your attention. We are all busy for the quite long time in celebrating आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव। आजादी सब जानते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंस, स्वतंत्रता। आजादी क्या होता है, इसका वैल्यू क्या है, इसको जानने के लिए इंडियन हिस्ट्री, स्ट्रगल फॉर इंडियन, ये किताबें, एक्सपीरियंसेस, हमारे बड़े बुजुर्गों का बातें बहुत सारा ढेर सारा सुनना पड़ेगा। आज सुबह मॉर्निंग हम लोग देख रहे हैं नन्हे नन्हे बच्चे विभिन्न देशभक्तों के वेशधारण में इधर आ गए हैं और हमको और एक बार परिचय करवाए हैं हिंदुस्तान में हमारा रोल क्या है, स्वतंत्रता हम कैसे पाए हैं। ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. The song really, our students, they danced and they played. Indian independence, the struggle for Indian independence is not a small story, is not a small incident. Almost the Hindustan was ruled by the dirty Britishers about 190 to 200 years. Even before Britishers, the India was ruled by, occupied by, looted by many other countries, starting from Alexander, then from Persia, Mongolia, like many countries. And especially in the 17th century, you know, the European countries, Dutch, Danish, Portuguese, French, English, all these people, they came. Maybe the reasons different, maybe by taking the name of trade, by seeing the beauty of the jewel, the India, they started interfering. They started disturbing and they could make us weak. In fact, I want to use a word. They have utilized our weakness. India was great, no doubt. Conquering India is not an easy job. Even Alexander, people say, who conquered the world, who could make up to India, West Punjab, and then by seeing the Nand dynasty, by seeing the mighty army of Nand kingdom, he could not do it. And after that, so many years it took, nobody looked at it. But there were dark days where people from Persia, Mongolia, they started coming. They could make their kingdoms here, ruled our country for centuries. But especially the Britishers, when they entered into India in the 17th century, using all their bad tricks and techniques, by their policies, divide and rule, they have created all such type of circumstances, used the circumstances, used the weakness of the kings. There were around 550 princely states, kings. Even 1-2 villages together used to be a one kingdom, and for that one king jealous of another kingdom, another neighboring kingdom, like that. So we paid a lot. 200 years we were under that dirty rule. And after that, the first, we have started our program, Netturu Marigite Ettara Jenda. Netturu Marigindi, Eppudu, 1857, 10th May, the first revolt, the first Indian independent struggle, it started. It started. Many kings, many queens, directly, indirectly they participated. Mangal Pandey, Tatya Tope, Nanaji, especially Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. They fought. They sacrificed everything for the pride of the nation, for the pride of Hindustan. They did everything. They sacrificed. But unfortunately, we could not unite all Indians. They could not unite all the neighboring kingdoms, and some were supporting that time also the Britishers. Whatever the reasons, we could not make. But that fire, that burning sensation started, and that created suffocation for the Britishers. And in 1947, on this auspicious day, 15th August, we got freedom. Again, at the time of independence, we had to take the names of our great national heroes, Mahatma Gandhi, Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, You might have read in your history books, Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai. There are so many names. On a moon day, we'll enjoy the moon. But when moon is not there, you see the sky. I personally feel that when the moon is not there, uncountable stars are there. And these uncountable stars are our soldiers, our patriotic citizens. The soldiers, they lost their lives fighting against the British rule. It is very difficult to stop our tears in our eyes if you read the Jallianwala Bagh. They were treated like animals, killed. Very massive killing took place. With the firing, using machinery guns, they killed the people. Everybody, here no question of which region, which religion, which color. It may be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Many people were very brutally killed, well ill-treated. But a day has come to us with our greater leadership of our great leaders. We got our independence. And 75 years over, before independence, before the conquerence of different foreign rulers, India was the gem. We had a very popular civilization. Harappa, Sindhu, you might have read. Now these days still we are using the baked bricks, the drainage system, the town planning system. These were existed. India is a dear friends, you should know, you should feel proud. India is not a country of 75 years old. India is a country of 2,500 to 3,000 years before Christ era, BCE. India was there. We have enjoyed, we were the role models. Now so-called the European countries, they are saying we are the advanced countries, we are the developed countries. Before the origin of these countries, before these countries were discovered and named, India, the country existed. The Sindhu civilization, Sindhu, from where we got the name India. 2500 BC back only, we were there. We have shown, we were role model for the whole world. Now showing little technology, little commercial skills, they may feel that we are rich, we are advanced. At the time of independence, you know, we have studied in the books, India was a very, very poor country. But slowly we started developing. When, like you people, I was also attending the Independence Day, 15 August and all other occasions, my elders used to tell, India is a developing country. I used to feel bad. Why still India is a developing country? Why can't you declare India is a developed country? Now people they are saying it is very fastly developing country. But my dear friends, you are all very lucky, very lucky. Maybe in a decade or less than that, definitely India will be known as a developed country, advanced country. Now still the foundation has been done and we are just building we are making the building. Very soon it will be declared, it will be identified, it will get back its previous culture, heritage, the name Vishwa Guru. हमारा हिंदुस्तान फिर बनेगा विश्व गुरु. हमारा हिंदुस्तान फिर बनेगा विश्व गुरु. ये विश्व गुरु बनने के लिए हमको क्या करना है? हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम, Macaulay, how he described our education system from Macaulay to now the new education policy, we are changing. We are changing our methodology, we are using our technology in space, sports, culture, military, in all areas. India is expanding its arms. It's not, the day is not very far. Definitely India will rule this world. It started. And on this auspicious occasion, I wish to reintroduce KV number 1, Uppal, to all of you. As the principal of this Vidyalaya, I feel extremely happy. Year to year, we are developing our facilities. we are improving. Our children are doing excellent in academics, sports, culture, in all other activities. I think now ours is the highest sports army. They are going to participate in regional with 240 more than children. They are going to participate in different regional level and thereby other activities. Morning we have experienced the taekwondo, the martial arts, the power of our Indian youth. Like similarly the rich heritage, the rich culture exhibited by our children. So day by day, KV number 1 Uppal is doing a great job. And in the recently given results, you know, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Uppal has given the best excellent results, producing 100% quality results both in 10th and 12th. And 12 students, you know, they have achieved 100 out of 100 marks. 100 out of 100. Somehow I missed them to communicate and give their prizes, but their prizes are waiting for them. These 12 students, they can come and collect their prizes who secured 100 out of 100. And our highest score being 99.5 percentage, like that they are achieving. Our 1, 2, 3, 75% children are getting above distinction. 40 to 50% are achieving more than 90%. So these are all speak our academic excellence. Not only academics, we are giving the best facilities, we are providing, and our children are gaining and they are exhibiting their talents. So on this auspicious occasion, I pray the God Almighty, our Hindustan, already the Gurjada Apparao garu, Telugu poet, he said, Deshamante matti kaadu, Deshamante manushudu. How a country, how can you expect a country can prosper? How can a country, when do you say that, declare that a country is a advanced country? When its citizens are advanced, when its students are getting the best facilities, when the citizens are advanced. So definitely, they are all doing great job. And as I said earlier, our students, our citizens, our countrymen will do better in the forthcoming years. And very soon, I dream, definitely my dream will come out that India will be known in the top countries. It's not a developed or developing or something like that. It is also an advanced, well accommodated country and giving best facilities for the world. India, हमारा हिंदुस्तान फिर बनेगा विश्व गुरु. धन्यवाद. Once again I appreciate all the parents and students who have come and contributed their patriotism in our function. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much, sir. Your address was very educative and inspiring. You could go into the history of the freedom struggle, and you have educated us, and you could remember and recall the great freedom fighters and the freedom struggle of India. Sir, thank you very much. Once again, we have one slogan. I will say, "Sare jahan se acha." You will say, yes. Sare jahan se acha. Sare jahan se acha. Sare jahan se acha. Now we have one more acha activity. That is ABC. ABC.
To the parents, to the many parents or the parents who are with us till the end, I have a request. We are into the school, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Uppal has taken up a very prestigious project which is run by US from Philadelphia and Pennsylvania doctors who are doing the research, and along with GMRI and public health centers, we are training many children. I felt it is a great opportunity if today for some time you can spare your valuable time. ABC is active bleeding control on roads. Many times on road we come across accident. Being a good citizen, if we can render a little help, we may not know sometimes what to do, but ABC is trying to reach out to every house and train the parents. If you are on the road, how can your little presence save a life?
So I request the parents who can you can stay back. You can even tell us what time you are free so that we can allot you those particular time. It will be a real great success and a move towards being a responsible citizen. I have already requested some parents to stay back. Others also can stay and look at it. We are in activity room. Thank you very much.